What if you could build something once and sell it over and over again, automatically? Not a course, not a service, but a system that works for you 24/7, powered by AI. That's exactly what we're diving into today. How to build a line of AI agents you can sell again and again, even if you've never built anything tech-related before. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Profit Hacks, where we break down how to turn AI and automation into real, repeatable income. If you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the bell, because we're not just talking theory, we're building things that actually make money. All right, let's get into it. So first, let's get one thing clear. Selling your time online has limits. You can only work so many hours a day. But selling automations? That scales. Because once you build it, it runs forever. And you can sell it forever. And right now, that's exactly what small creators, freelancers, and solopreneurs around the world are doing. They're not selling hours, they're selling AI systems. Let's break it down with a real example. Imagine this. Someone builds a simple review booster agent, an automation that automatically sends review requests after a client purchase, collects responses, and organizes them neatly in a Google Sheet. They package it, upload it to Gumroad for $39, and within weeks, it starts selling on autopilot. Just one sale a day turns into over $1,000 a month. All from something they built once. That's the power of thinking like a product creator, not a service provider. So how do you actually build a line of these agents? Let's map it out step by step. Step 1. Find small, repeatable problems. You're not trying to rebuild someone's business. You're looking for that one annoying task that keeps happening every day or every week. Think about moments like a new lead coming in, a purchase being confirmed, a meeting ending, or a video going live. If you can say, when this happens, do that and save the result here, you've found gold. For example, when a customer buys, send a thank you with a bonus, log the details in a sheet, and schedule a follow-up. When a YouTube video publishes, grab the transcript, pull out the key ideas, and cue a caption. When a client fills a form, create a folder, send a welcome email, and assign a checklist. If you can describe it in one sentence, it's small enough to ship fast and valuable enough to sell. Start by timing how long the task takes manually, then promise your buyer one outcome. Fewer clicks, fewer errors, more consistency. Step 2. Use no-code tools. You don't need to write a single line of code to make this work. A simple mental model helps. Trigger, brain, and output. The trigger is the event, like a Stripe payment or a Typeform submission. The brain is where ChatGPT crafts the text or makes a decision using the context you pass in. The output is what the user actually gets. An email sent from Gmail, a row added to Google Sheets or Airtable, a Notion page created, a file saved to Drive. With Make.com, Zapier, or N8N, you drag and drop these pieces together visually. Build a tiny version first. One trigger, one ChatGPT step, one output. Test it with dummy data, watch the logs, and add a simple safety net like retries, basic validation, and a send to sheet log so the buyer can see what happened. If you feel stuck choosing tools, default to Google Sheets for storage, Gmail for sending, and ChatGPT for text. That combo can ship an agent over a single weekend and handle 80% of use cases. Step 3. Give each agent a clear identity. People don't buy automations, they buy outcomes with names. Talk like a product person, not an engineer. Instead of saying, I built a workflow, say, this is the lead magnet delivery agent. It instantly delivers your freebie and tags the contact for follow-up. Name it so the value is obvious at a glance, and add a short promise line. What it does, for whom, and why it matters. Review Booster for Etsy sellers collects reviews without nagging. Follow-up Engine for coaches sends a warm, personalized check-in 24 hours after a call. Testimonial Collector for course creators turns happy emails into usable social proof. A tight name plus a one-sentence promise makes your offer feel real, premium, and worth paying for. even if the engine under the hood is simple. Step 4. Package it like a real product. Presentation sells, so make it frictionless for a non-technical buyer. Record a quick, no-fluff demo under 90 seconds showing the trigger, the result, and the final output. Write a one-page Start Here setup guide that explains what accounts they need, what variables to paste, and a 2-minute checklist to run the first test. Bundle the import link or template file, include a ready-to-copy prompt, and add a small FAQ covering the basics. What to do if an email bounces, how to change the delay, where to see logs. Host it where buyers already shop. Gumroad and Payhip are perfect for one-time purchases, while AppSumo can give you bursts of volume if you're ready for it. If you want recurring income, offer access to your entire agent library with monthly updates via System.io or a private Notion hub. Keep pricing low friction at the start, so people try it without overthinking. Then add a bundle once you have 3 to 5 agents. The moment it feels like a system rather than a one-off, your perceived value jumps, and your conversion rate usually follows. That's the whole play. Pick one tiny pane, wire it up with no code, brand it like a product, and package it so anyone can succeed on the first try. Let's talk about what a line of agents looks like. Picture this lineup of agents working together. First, you've got the lead magnet agent, the one that collects emails and automatically delivers freebies. Then there's the follow-up agent, sending personalized messages a day later to keep the conversation going. Next comes the testimonial collector, the one that asks customers for reviews and keeps everything organized for you. The repurposing agent transforms your YouTube scripts or blog posts into ready-to-post Instagram captions or tweets. And finally, the AI sales agent, your digital closer, qualifying leads, answering FAQs, and sending people straight to your checkout page. Each one solves a small pain. Together, they form a business in a box. That's your product line. And here's where it gets exciting. Once you've built your first one, the rest are 10 times faster to create. Same tools, same structure, new use case. That's how creators are building what I call micro-automation empires. It's like digital real estate, except instead of renting apartments, you're selling automations that never stop working. Now, let's talk about pricing, because this is where most people mess up. If you're just starting, price low to get traction. $19, $29, or $39 per agent. Once you have 3 to 5 built, bundle them as a business automation pack and sell it for $99 to $149. The perceived value skyrockets when people see a system, not just a single tool. And here's a quick mindset shift. You're not selling AI automations. You're selling outcomes. Fewer manual tasks, more time back, more consistency. That's what people buy. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but how do I make people trust what I built? Simple. Show it in action. Record a 60-second Loom video walking through your automation. No fancy editing needed. Post it on TikTok, Twitter, or YouTube Shorts with captions like, "Built this AI agent to collect client reviews automatically." Would you use it? That one sentence can drive hundreds of people to your product page. And if you want to take it further, turn your product line into a subscription. Offer access to all your agents plus monthly updates for $9 or $19 a month. That's predictable, compounding income. The dream setup for digital entrepreneurs. The point is, once you start building, you realize it's not about tools. It's about solving problems people are already paying for. And that's why the people winning right now online are the ones who treat automations like digital products, not side projects. So here's your challenge. By this weekend, pick one simple automation idea. Just one. Build it. Name it. Package it. Then sell it. You'll learn more in that process than in weeks of tutorials. And before you go, I've put together a complete step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to choose the right idea, build it with no code, package it like a real digital product, and start selling it online. You'll find all the details about the guide in the pinned comment below. It's designed to help you move faster and avoid wasting hours figuring things out alone. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, like the video. and drop a comment below telling me which AI agent you'd build first. Thanks for watching until the end. And as always, let's build, let's automate, and let's profit.